Hello and welcome to the Crafty Elf Workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I freeze my soups. I've made roasted red pepper soup. These are Chinese food containers, any plastic container will do, and a good old-fashioned ladle. I scoop the soup, I pour it into the container. When it's cool, I put the lid on, I put it back in the freezer, wait for them to freeze, and then I just pop off the lid. There's my frozen soup, and I just run the bottom quickly, 2 seconds, underneath the warm water. The soup pops out like a disc. I have my vacuum seal bags ready with the name of the soup. I slip it inside the baggie, put my sealer, get my sealer ready, push the buttons I want, stick it in the machine. Vacuum seal it. Oh, I stuck it in too far, and that's a good thing to show you because, hey, accidents happen. I stuck the bag in too far. I will try it again. There we go. Vacuum sealing the bag. Light goes out. It's sealing it. And just about done. There we go. And I then have a stand-up freezer in the basement, and I buy these plastic bins from the dollar store, and I just put it in the bin. So I'm going to continue, get the next one. Watch how quick it actually is. Warm water, pop the disc, open the bag, slip the soup in, settings. Now if you don't freeze the soup, you'll have a hard time vacuum sealing it because it's wet. So pre-seals it. This way I find it's really good. They're like disc size soups, and when it's all vacuum sealed, it's pretty flat and they store beautifully in the freezer. If you don't have an upright freezer, you're just sticking it in your regular freezer, they just lay one on top of the other and it's perfect. And there's the next one. You can see how they line up beautifully, and it just slips in my freezer and I know exactly where my soups are. They're all lined up, keeps it neat and organized. Well, I hope you've learned something today. Thank you for stopping in at the Crafty Elf Workshop, and have yourself a great day. Bye.